Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Wild Classroom. So in our last lecture we learned in detail about concrete tanks in aquaculture, how they are built, how they function, their advantages and disadvantages. So today we move to the next type of tank that is becoming more popular in urban and small scale fish farming. Yes, plastic and fiberglass tanks. So if you live in a city or if you want a movable ready-made tank for your fish farming business, this lecture will be very useful for you. So let's begin. So dear students, plastic and fiberglass tanks are ready-made tanks manufactured in factories. So they are usually circular or rectangular in shape, and their sizes vary from a few hundreds liters to several thousand liters. So the inner surface is smooth and non-abrasive, so fish won't injure themselves. So these tanks can be placed in backyard, rooftops, research centers, or even indoors. Because they are light, they are easy to move and install compared to concrete tanks. Dear students, the most important question is, why do farmers use fiberglass or plastic tanks? So there are the following reasons. The first one is mobility. You can move them easily if you shift location. Then quick setup, no need for heavy construction, just buy and install. Then durability, fiberglass is strong and long lasting. And safety for fish, the most important point, smooth walls prevent injuries. That's why they are very popular with ornamental fish breeders, hatcheries and small urban farmers. So now how do they work? So the working is similar to concrete tanks. You fill the tank with clean water, then install aeration systems like air blowers or diffusers to maintain oxygen. Then add inlet and outlet pipes for water exchange. Then stock fish according to size and water volume. So these tanks are often connected to RAS, recirculating aquaculture systems, because they are easy to manage and clean. Now let's discuss about their advantages. So there are the following advantages. The first one is they are light and movable, can be installed anywhere, even rooftops, and smooth walls protect fish. Then they comes in different sizes. Now students, let's discuss about their disadvantages. So they are more expensive than tarpaulin tanks and can crack if mishandled, and a limited size compared to concrete tanks. So dear students, in many cities around the world, people farm tilapia, catfish and even ornamental fish in fiberglass tanks. So their real life examples include in the research stations, scientists use them because they are easy to clean and disinfect. In Pakistan and India, urban farmers are experimenting with them on rooftops. Then in developing countries, fiberglass tanks are often used in hatcheries and raw setups. So dear students, plastic and fiberglass tanks are a modern, flexible and safe option for aquaculture. So if you want to start small, or even you live in a city and have limited space, this system could be perfect for you. So in our next lecture, we will cover tarpaulin tanks, one of the most affordable and beginner friendly system in aquaculture. So if you like this lecture, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more aquaculture knowledge. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.